Breaking news, if you've been trying to buy a home and you feel like it's impossible, save this date. May 5th, Palm Beach County is releasing $3 million toward first-time homebuyer down payment assistance. It's going to be given out on a first submitted, first qualified, and first served basis. So here's exactly what you need to know to make your submission successful. They're giving up to $100,000 in assistance. So if you think about it, out of $3 million, worst case scenario, 30 people are going to be allotted these funds. If people end up getting 50,000, then it's going to be 60 people, but it's a very small number of people that are going to win this compared to the thousands of people that apply. So make sure you submit your application ASAP as soon as that application portal opens. Now, in your submission, they're requiring almost a complete underwrite of your loan. First and foremost, you need a pre-approval letter upon submission. If you're W-2, you're going to need your most recent W-2s. You're going to need 30 days of pay stubs. You're going to need identification for all the household members as well. You're going to need to provide bank statements, checking, savings, stocks, bonds, mutual funds. If you're self-employed, you're going to actually need your 3 years most recent tax returns. Usually you only need 2. In this case, you need 3. And a year-to-date P&L, a profit and loss statement for your business. So I'm going to put everything you need for submission in the description below because it's a lot. Some other things you need to know about this program. It's a maximum purchase price of $568,557. You have to be a first-time home buyer, meaning you've been renting for 3 or more years, or you haven't had your name on the deed of any primary residence in the past 3 years. You can't have a maximum of more than 200,000 liquid assets to be eligible. But what I like about this program is the income limits are actually very realistic. Usually down payment assistance has really tough income limits. This one, if it's a 1-person household, you can make up to $105,000 a year. If it's a 6-person household, you can make up to $174,000. And when they say household, it goes by people that will be living there in the house with you, even if they're not on the loan, such as your spouse and children. Now, the portal closes May 23rd at 11:59 p.m. or until the first 100 applications have been submitted. But if you don't get the State Housing Initiative Program funds, otherwise known as SHIP, we have our own in-house down payment assistance program with no income limits, and it's a beautiful loan. We've helped so many families buy their first home with this program. And by the way, the SHIP funds are a 0% interest deferred loan with a promissory note and a declaration of restriction for 30 years, with the loan being forgiven at the end of the 30 years. Now, that's a little extreme, but my in-house down payment assistance program, the one with no income limits, has a forgivable option where it gets completely forgiven after 5 years. So you want to work with a mortgage broker that can help you compare the different down payment assistance options that are available on the market. But if you or anyone you know is looking for down payment assistance, get in touch with me and my team. I'll personally walk them through the entire home buying process. And if you learned anything from this video, hit that like button, follow, comment, and don't miss out on down payment assistance.